Hello friends, welcome to AutoCAD tutorial. Today I will teach you how to dimension a circle like radius and diameter. Also you can dimension your circle manually with your keypad and by typing. So both system we use today. So don't skip the any part. So let's start first. First, dimensioning a tool is used by this annotation tab. Click on this arrow button. Here you see the you can show the radius and diameter as well as so as your requirement. Uh, but we show you how to use both commands. So first select radius, then we click on this and then you can use other inside radius and outside this here and then click outer. Okay, see a radius is used, r capital R is used for radius. Okay, and then then diameter command is used. How to use this? Only select the diameter command and select the object and see what happened. And this is the diameter of 10. Okay, and the radius is 5. And other command is how to manually we can use this dimensioning tool. So firstly you have to go to annotation tab and then see the leader option. Leader option contains multi-leader. Click on the multi-leader, and anywhere you want to show the its dimension, firstly you have to click there and you can off this ortho mode, and then you can other according to your dimensioning style, click here and then you can type capital R for radius and 5. You can type capital R by using keyboard, but you can not type this symbol 5. Okay, see the arrow, this symbol you can't type because your keyboard doesn't contain this type of symbol. So you have to go to insert tab and then click on symbol, and there is the diameter 5 and you have to type 10. Okay, and click anywhere. See, this is the way we can dimension our circle. Okay, so any issues regarding this you can comment me, and please you are skipping this part to subscribe my channel. So please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.